Welcome to Papa Giuseppe's Pizza Parlour. You are going to be learning all about the fractions and their multiples. Okay, thank you Papa Giuseppe for letting us use your pizza parlour to learn all about fractions and their multiples to complete a whole. I've got my whole pizza here. This is just a little reminder for you what a whole looks like. It hasn't been cut into any pieces, it's just been baked and it's fresh out of the oven ready to be eaten. So let's look at halves. So here's my pizza that has been cut into halves. That means it's been cut into 2 equal pieces. Okay, so I have 1/2 here. And what multiple is needed to create one whole pizza? A second half. So 2 halves create one whole pizza. Okay, let's look at my pizza that's been cut into quarters. So that means it's been cut into 4 equal pieces. Here is 1/4 of my pizza. Okay, so how many more quarters do I need to create one whole pizza? What are the multiples? I have 1, 2, 3 more quarters to create one whole pizza after I've removed that 1/4. There we go, they're back together now, 4 quarters. Create one whole pizza. Okay, let's look at thirds. So I have my pizza that's been cut into thirds, which means 3 equal pieces. So I will remove 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 of the pizza has been removed. I'm left with how many multiples of 1/3 to create my whole pizza? I've been left with 2 multiples of 1/3 to create one whole pizza. So 3 thirds create one whole pizza. Okay, let's look at fifths. So I know my pizza has been cut into fifths because it's been cut into 5 equal pieces. Here is an example of 1/5. When I remove 1/5, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 multiples of 1/5. So that means I require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fifths to create one whole pizza. Okay, let's see how you've gone with understanding about fractions and their multiples to complete one whole. So I've got my whole pizza in the middle here, just for us to remember what one whole pizza looks like. But you will notice that around this one whole pizza, I have just parts of some other pizzas that have been cut into fractions previously. So we're going to find out now what is missing for me to complete one whole pizza. So let's have a look at halves. So here I've got a half of a pizza. So what multiple of half am I missing to create one whole pizza? Did you say 1/2? Then you would be correct if you did. So I know that I need 2 halves to create one whole pizza. Let's look at quarters. Okay, so I have 1/4 of my pizza here. Now I know that for a pizza to be cut into quarters, I need 4 equal pieces. I have 1 piece. So how many pieces am I missing? 1, 2, 3 pieces are missing for me to create one whole pizza that has been cut into quarters. Let's look at thirds. So here we go. I've got my pizza that has been cut into thirds, but I'm missing some of it. Now, when a pizza has been cut into thirds, I know it's been cut into 3 equal pieces. I have 1, 2 pieces there, so I'm missing 1/3 of my pizza. And there it is. So 3 pieces of pizza are required to make one whole pizza. Now let's have a look over here. It's a little bit tricky. So this is my pizza that was cut into fifths. So I have 1, to 3 pieces of pizza. Now, normally when a pizza is cut into fifths, that means it has 5 equal pieces. Well, how many pieces are missing? Well, that's an easy subtraction. So I know there are normally 5. I've got 3 left, so 5 take away 3. So that means I have 2 pieces of pizza that were missing. Okay, so I need 5 pieces of pizza to create 1 whole pizza. Ciao! Well done on a fantastical effort.